Yeah, back to the brighter side of life. We thank God for our lives. Baby, I will be for our brother. This is the last leg. You might be a big dream on Adom TV, multi TV. So you're the bro. Minya a year, Fiaman Quatamaklo, a chassis, and a year, KG1 so de Agokensi, a own sem at the bro. Akosinsia at the Asemedi Candia bro. Ye really crack, you may be a na a year. Mpensenpensenmu and a bro. I'm sure. Say there are a lot of issues in the country. Our interest to talk about. Enti minute beye enuma eda enim no. Ubinya sa akonya. Balansa binya sa akonya ni mnyamfo Kofi Bente. Atnase. Okose hwi oswa. Ono na ye mrahye bedwani a ogina adehia ewo ho no won anamu. Nti honorable Akwaba Mema honorable Kwabe na mema wakwanya ama wonso watimi ni medi nkomo minute be enum na afi ya baba kene honorable beto en komo di ni so enti numbers abetimi dia frɛ baby a o share baby a obutu a wo hwe bia na uti bia no asem bia da wakoma so bia hinta sem bi bia mpuntuo bi ade bia twetwe aso kakra bia sinto bi o baby sa akwanya ne da ho ma so betimi ni me akasa on 0302 211 equity 5 0302 211 701 equity 4 no wetimini edi nkita ho baby a ubutu bia sembia da akoma so ade bi ho no ma o de ba han mu ama ana o de ba bedwam ama hu se da bi adwumako wi de madwuma ya asrani ahade sinto abaha da bi hade kasa bi ankoyi ahade osusu senke ni se ya sa kwanya no na mede ma o Serebia Ghana bitimi akonkama yempuntu de dimuna awie peyo. Whilst I wait for your call, mekoso akayo say igusu ayechi sika no so. Nti star 281 hash. Star 281 hash option here 4 no be say Adom TV etuemu ho den. Now gusu na utwa. Nti dodo bi a ojiri se obetimi atwa bia no de koso atwa. Utwa wi a problem bia ni ho. So what I say. Na fe ibiatimi akokama edema me catch you say ade ba ko so ohunu say bribia da emfa ho ne bre no me kanfo ama Malta Guinness you say ade a eboa amonya ahoden asa adwudwu nipadua no ama ne Kenya asronko ama ne de di eye djuma hyene nso say ye bottle say ka no ahyensude ba ko bi fam ho ya twero ho say proudly made in Ghana. Shenon sunye pa Malta Guinness bia autobian. Shenon say proudly made in Ghana. Sa shen sudia no ananchore no efam ho. Nti shenon sun na die na ma fo ne BDB abefrafra mu wan hia no bidi enfofo ada no kwaye. Nti we die anopa o awia o anwumre o anajo ayemachi o ye ne Malta Guinness adwumaku no ana eto abasako makacho ahode sonko ne nkan sonko a etimidi ma unipeduano. Malta Guinness, we move very, very important. And Yanka say your multimedia and says, see, then I will do order. Inti happy birthday, Sunko, and call a mount. Yanko Manosina, offering Udika, my memo watching now. I say, all what can the match up of the saying?
Yanko Adwumawura and I'm on swear.
Oh, Yamia do be a boko. Yeah,
I am yes. Etia, you're so municipal phone. But the honorable at 3 Akonyamudia.
How can I do a homano? Would you not an article? Oh, very unfortunate, isn't he? Benjamin Marchiapom to say. Hello, Ben. Benjamin Marchiapom to say.
From you.
Ben, who are you?
Hello.
Hello, Ben.
Oh.
Good. I don't pay one wafre.
Hello.
Unfortunately, I'm say on also 18 and huntino. Intimate in K 0302 211 equity 4. Hello, good morning.
Yeah, quite no home sem no. Ehunya ye pa server information no why.
O kasa free he. Unfortunate. Tieno. Benny Tieno. 0302 211 701 ekosi 4 no team ne akasa oh akwa ba bi sehwe oso boko bibia na me kwa so
Madaroma mi adom ye hu ye
eti uni hihye egu akwa mu
papa ne ajumidi awotwe mi enu mi ensani na me wo person no so break your call recess me call
okay
me no mo
okay
to apro
okay
konkro no so me de me buta nyina ne se ade bia wonnim ne kese wonnim ne tintin ne tietia mfa wontimi ensusu no wontimi nhwe so
ade bia wontimi ensusu no
wontimi nhwe so
beba so Eugene Mache
ya na ma hine mejo so
na efie boko de
na mi adom efie boko
good anope wo me fa hin
me kata free sefio so new town na mo me
na sefio so for mo MP betina ha de bia da bias me bia national lines ato ho sefio so for afi de mabaji aboso yentie o
na sio na ba no pane le nyuma pa wa ye obo ye de ya kan sen ahonkeka ba consistency ni mu ama bibia cross touching Cheshia anigia ba sefio so ne ye ni se dodo na so beba
okay yes you da CP nana mache na pom ti say nana mache pom ti say
boko me ho yo
good Wadaroma yetie o
yo me da mase nyame hia so mama makonye ye je to hiri le fem na ne salba fo di kai me se ne se Adaroma em se ye kwan free binti man kwanta eba adwofo ano atufa se dibi so no omo ye kwan no aka free asionta eba adwofo ano ye se onabo se omo Adaroma nyame adum na se yabade a omo mo aye
all right
na omunye kwa no maye afi Adabo Krum emse bia east you problem papa Adabo Krum ti MPC no a omo yame adom ya to aba mo omo no omo kamu ofi de bisto eba Adabo Krum tu kwanta ye ne bufo ye hye so Adabo Krum tu kasape ye ne ayifo mbemfo ye hye so yakwa ni nya sei
okay
ye de pa no bia is your problem pa ne kwai
okay
nti ona bo yesero a munyina nka mo no momwa
okay so
na sele be ya tabi ma so ye be fe ntuma pa so
ye da CP Benjamin machi apom ti sen
me ho yo na so
o nyame adom bibia eboko
yo yen PO Adwumawura I am honorable Mpensenpensenmu Mpesi so be sen wa bi mu ana
mo MP owo hin
Adwumawura ya kwai no I say engineer symphony for some share ya bridge no mu bi engineer symphony for o enche no mo en kaka
okay Adwumawura one kaza wa chiri yeah oh well I mean chiri wa de back mu enkotata wo MP se wa nya okwan ama wo mesre de bia da me ka chire wo twu MP adwini si so se na aban wo so se na aban ni so na enye na de hia se obepema company fo nim na wonya favor before because akwan won sem de si biema to dia obi a me krom Africa se kumawu kwaben ye nyina ya kwan deficiency ebi de chen ye de nti akwan wasem na nkotata MP and it should not be a reason for you to always say ya anya me kwan nti betumi MP na MP beba MP beko MP beba MP beko untimi fa kwan takel no so nya de ono abetimi sika we nya common fund asem ne yekan e kwan asem ne yekan so atese di ho no yempiapia ye mra hyebuafo no ase omo de amoma no enrudwam na omo nya that favor na activity because the whole Ghana 16 regions will be a kwan. It's not a joke, you know. Nti yetimo asese mo kwan no so nya papa yetimo ase pa mache apom ti say hello aben wa ha mache okay so yede be siam si em say anopay ahoma no o ye no ho twitwiri abo bententi na me ken wakosa problem nyina ade ni pie free mobile say why identify say bra na me ye campaign no na me ka say sa how we nkwa na o na mum me bat na akonya no so ya me sa gie bre course answer hwe ni aproboi me hu say nyema no bibiri kra sa abeka na de na o usu say utu na montempa ma o manfo no sampa de akodi
yo nana te said me din kan kai no ade bia wontimi ensusu no wontimi anxious so when you say whatever you cannot measure you cannot manage enti ya bo apro ne de campaign time ya hwa kwanya ya fasa akwan no so ehu nioma ewo ehia wo constituency no mu nyina na no kre adihia ne de te say de wo kan omamu ni nyina ba bia be ko bia akwan ensuo ewo ho sesi ade me ni manfo no edwen ho ne se adwe no yabo ye ne nsa yabo no ye nsa ema ye de aye ntimi mi ni nyina epreko enti sesi ye rank ye priorities community way personal way so grow way so ye ba ye mo nsem amaka nyina nananom madawro ma ye hu se ye ntimi nyani nyina ene nanso mo aye na ye hu de
ye pa
enti eno ho aprobo na ko ye no sesi ya hyehye almost communities ni nyina ye hu na nyame adom eye nneoma ye betimi aye hu bibi metimi etu ho na mo bebra emfiri abamu kra me kofo a me ne wo aye adwuma pen me connections am wo agencies binom oba youth employment sesi a me kase ya recruit branch ne ma ba best 600 NGO bi adawroma esi Ghana adawroma ye titi wom ewo abe nursery kwan so abe processing asesi a wom go 120 a start and fiada way you be end 1 month if you be enroll another way pick up across the constituency ni nyina ne say ye boa mamranche ne mabaawa no anya dwuma bi aye ama wo mo ho ene say enyamfum so se Nyankopon wo ye ne ekopie sefi babia
that's the best language today enyamfum so se Nyankopon bo ene akopie ahafo yakopie sefi yakopie framantem enyamfum so ni nyansem onim de nti akopie
ho purpose wo de nti e wo se ekopie ho enti nipa bia me kan kire se wo pese wo fifiri na wo nyini ekoso a hwede wo fire ene de firi ho ebeboa wo ama wo enyini akọ broni ene economy se frɛ no comparative advantage ade a wo wa ebeboa mo akọ ntem no eno na eda bia mo ani enkoso kane me nka se no nko mo ani na mo ani enku ba bia yakopie no kuayo agrek e ade a ebeboa ye nti yemfi ase emfiri ho me nka se meme ye nye ndidwa me nka se meme ye nye mfidi nyuma da bi na emom de mere efosi ebetimi afi ase no ewo bebia Yankopon de yakopie no eno na yenhye ase yedua kokko a ene yehudi kokko ede yen koduru sesi a ndisa abe ene ada nioma akuayo nso ebewuram na maboa madodo ne de won ho agim si ye na edoso a ene ebenya economies of scale eno na beboa ma investors nkofo de sika bewura ho o ma se pese etum pompa wo se hwia te se de me maka se pese body se hwia so economy no ade ba kwa wo se ye ne se ebe increase consumption no be man nkofo fi mia bibire aba ye mam ho omba no mo do so ne ye to ne ye dua ebeboa me ye se hwia so etumpon enti nyoma binum se enum na me de mani asiso se hwia so me de me hu ne se ye me country ye me man se a ye de me ye de ahye me nsa enti mfie nan a ye de ahye me nsa e de na metimi aye abose hwia so mpuntu amase bra bi so na me sa komanfo no ho se me po mu nsam tumi na me mfere na mo metimi asime bo ba bia me wura bi aka se mfie nan a mo de se hwia so share me se die enti we say mo ma me sign.
So what quite a subset of the bigger picture Ghana and Omampeyin ye mampeyin and oni ye ko sa esawe oje bre so echechire wo manfo mu de mfie nan a ye wura mi ye ni say busumi nan rather de mo tutu ho na mo ne de ayire kakra mo ne de enti sa ayire sa pempeso no
yeah me born to me ye campaign ade ba ko a me share ho bone say abre no bia no me hia manfo na me ba aban mu de asie nso mabɔ ho dawuro amane a kyerɛ wo mo na wo nso bibi ne wo matimi abisa emu nsɛm agye mu enkyirikyire mu enti me call ya me bɔ me call srahwe nyina nso me ye community bia me wura mu bia no me bodwa ene manfo no etie me amane ne bosumi na me ba ye mabetie de aban ya ye budget ya ba de wo mu ema yen ene wo mo nso adwen kyerɛ sɛ bi o mate bibi a wo mo ntia se fira ba mu en nyoma bebre efiri mu ebaaye ye ko ye na nkomo bi ni nam se ye se MPP fo bi no say aban say afi yam tu kokom unse say yunsu de oka koko de a no aka na ya de a akoso anti almost community bi abeko bi an sa asem no eba ebisa say honorable yesi mo say afi montu koko bom aden na yenya kwan a kirikiri mu say yeti hadada ye dua ye koko ye koko fo koko na hwe ye no enye sa abiri na ye tu koko mu nye bosom miensa bosom nan ene ye tu koko mu koko season no kura asisi ya yentu mu na mu mienka ne enka ye ho se ansa ne betu koko mu je ati koko awie mi aka se ya close ya tum a bosom nwotwe ede ko edunu mu no ho na abandon hyehyɛ ba me tu koko mu na ye de ye kama se hwi osofo akuafo koko akuafo nyina ate ase se ebre ne so se ye betu koko mu a koko ne ye betum na no kura no NDC amamu de yenhyehyɛ mu no enye nintumu akeke de bia ansa ne be fia ba mu kura 2016 no de ne ye ne se ebre so na aban ekoji koko bo ne ba ewo ohanche mu dodo bi a ye de ema akuafo enye se ekonya se na yese munyi sei na esunti ye kase aye akuafo da bi etu ato ho se ohanche mu aduosia de kwaduosia num die abre bia koko kani na ono na ade ye ne dia obre ho no oso onya ne muche fa dodo de aka no so kura na ban fa ntran koko bo no ko ani ye de bia bo koko no ho bra ene se ye de bi to fertilizer ye de bi to nuro na ni nyina aboye no sa hihye we nim nyina ebesen aba nyame ncha adom na wotwetwe mu koko board CEO enso eba safi ano so ko chinchin ba bia asisu de amomo hu se de MP be kan ye no saa na ye aban enhyehyɛ enti ni mapa bebre wo ho a ye de ema safifo.
I see. Brought back to a mamoni a home common. Mujini na Adwumawura common what?
Papa.
What did you achieve? And another conduit for party soldiers to just take advantage, job for the boys because Rebecca said, na every buyer na Kufia Japan why
sure
now to Sana Mon we are in Sunyebe and that way and the Kufia Japan why Brennan and I'm on 2 years. We'll soon call another tool and our vehicle for your party sympathizers, no, and our job for the boys, no. That's the same kind of situation that we find ourselves in. To boy kaka.
O man intia no mame hunu se ya ye aban ya na kire se wo bibi asade no
ebeti ya bo
good enti se ba ko na nko yi a na se obi a hunu se wo se fa sa kwan wo so de ne ye nyina ya nwe ho kwan ben de fa so a we ebe ye ebe gina ne ye hwen hyehyɛ a o mampani ene na ban ede ebe ye Adwumawura am ye hunu se Adwumawura no ebetimi abo ebe ye adefoforo asen dada na ye nyina ni so
sa ka kasa no o si enko ye te se de
good
aban bi dia na eni nyina so na kwa na
eni nyina so se sika ye ni sika kora na ye de be ye adwuma we de ye twa budget ato ho se ade we minister chisika me fa nkoye sa ade we ntinye se ye kwakọ e friends ye ko si ko gyina kwantia ye be kwakọ duru apemrante no mabawa omode nimdie ideas aba mbo pese omode ye bibi boa wo mo abrabo no wo mo sika sampuntu afi kofa bra ye se enye grade we de etwa sika to ho 100 million cedi se ye mfa fi edikan ya ye mfa mo ye mrante ne
100 million Ghana cedis. Well minimum kasa web pamcho get in touch with Area Pablo and as Area Erica J. Maybe ombetimi atokane atoso ye ama yenti ase ne kwa obefa so abaye part of Adwumawura nhyehyɛ ne enipaku be na wono ehwɛ so mbekasa nhyehyɛ we hu nhyehyɛ ne de we obeji ntitie bi ana osika so ne bekɔ kodu mpempe so se ye o ceiling na threshold bi o ana obenya nipa bi ama mama ntitie bi ansem de se sika na ma wana san komo ne se ati ase because o ti da ase abra na okoma okra so wan we na akoye mfom so nti pamcho mun check on the minister no lawyer Pablo and I say ye nua bema Erica J mo wese munya na omoma enchire mu sisia. So back to this conversation, we come on hyehyɛ na ebetimi aboama that bracket of emabunu no enya akwanya aye adwuma bi ana
papa o ma hine me de me ma o practical example ansa na me be di MP be na be research e wo mpetem ho ntimi ho bibi e ka se ma me anso me fa me ho ensua bibi enka ho de me ye ne se me hwehwe woni a e di saa wo mo adwa we wo mo adwuma nyuma no e wo nkuro akese mienu e wo me mpeso ano so ho dwena se ne asan so se me mmobodi na me mpe bibi kakra enhye won dwa na me hwe se de e beko akosi amane me ni sika bebre nti kakra bi a metumi ye obi a bi a woton koko obi a woso sa drinks ni we indomie fo no hwehwe bebre kosua ni we nyina nya me botom ehye won dwa so man me hu mfie bebo so nsia na afie achi no me hu se omu nyina me ko nsrawe omu nyina so hu se obi a ebi nkura na omu nimi nti research team na yes I could do on who say oh mam say nti mu na mo bra me say ade we eni adwuma no eni koko na me mam ba ko me ko no ko ni koko ni bi let say me who say 1000 na me di bobu
enya nyuma ketwa
let say bibi nti omompan ni dey say ade we ba manifesto no am ka say me di kan kora dada to me your campaign no I'm sure say me register we database of my constituents eni obi ade a wo ye de betimi e de aboa no we were database of my constituents one more page my ranting qualifications and also computer so say be very
akwanya bi ba pe tapu nti pe
me say yeah to team ranting no have awa enti no yeah me research assistant ma send no message kai me say back of how be apply for Adwumawura because me kwa ntimi ende fine my NGOs be ebo me with the training but the funding to set them up and then if you are we call CSIR no me NGO fund kasai akohwe kwan ya be fa so a some of those omo person go into those innovative way na me hunu no omo materials bi o be dua bibi obi ho be hia bibi ho knowledge me no omo kokasa hu how a meti ase na mo a omo so e de ebe ni science nti ebe wi a ebe do point a abrante ni here 10,000 5,000 no dia start bibi na e bia MP nko a entimi no na Adwumawura so abeboy nti minim say Adwumawura so say na tie ye betete wo mo ye be in fact ade ba kokora wo ho no say ye be san amonita wo ye nya wo mo sa akwa
ihye mu no obi a wo so na sin bia no o be hwese o be ma no ehwesode na watimi dia faso
na san assign wo to some successful entrepreneurs nti good nti bia wo sa wi so a Mr. Boyson wo Buada ko ho mo ye entrepreneurs ye nyina hu so must stand the test of time nti wo adwuma wo yi sa wo enum panimfo wo na betimi atos yesro omo ye wo mentors nti wo hia bibia wo be ne sa ahwe afie dikan because she na say mfie na mu no at least o see etimi ema mrante na babo an bebre nya adwuma na de de wo mkura ne say eno en restrict o say fa wo bre wa ho di nyina ye sa adwuma no wo ye no no so wo kwanya so betimi bibia ko enam say wa na wo de wo ho wa na bibi nti ebra wo be ya wo leisure ebre bia obenya bia nso utimi dige bibi foforo eka ho said de be ya wo be ye 8 to 5 employees straight jackets busumi adwuma uko andopa ekosi enyumre na busumi so a yetua woka no I don't think say that is the way I work because yentimi create job abantu me even private sector airborne homodi yentimi ka say ebeya mo bia nya aban adwuma na me mpo de futu me call site bo mo ye training say me call ebra no ko kasa kire mo se wo pese wo yeye wo pese wo nya sika te se de nyina ye prayer dwen se wo a wo be ye wo bibi because obia adwuma eni bia ni ho betime ye asen na employer untimi you can never become richer than the one obia otua
okay
there be enti wo so fa wonsa eye bibi na hunu se papa na obie na adwuma na wo pese okokofo adwuma saa no so ofia se adwuma bia ni ho a efia se kakra saa na enyin nti just have the end in view na sha bibi asese so senkura odaye no so senkura o de hye bibi kakra ase na ka hunu se kakra se wunya saa moye a efiri abamu eba na ebetimi aso wase I know se nhihye no mu no se mrante ne maba no timi boa wo ho na kakra ya aban ede dum wo mu timi dane na ma ne nyina ye be grade wo mu ye be upgrade wo mu akọ other levels a
So our government, the challenge has always been about Juma Sefatase na ebe wiechi no ye de amanyo sem akofore no bibia da meka uko kenkan krata efra Adwumawura no ho a nyame anim ni ubo se wa ba wo se wakoma betofo mboko afei edubra ye de bedi dwuma se de ye bie kwa to ye de bedi dwuma ya na enho nkomobo no ene ho anamontuo no ene ho akade no akoye bibia ho we kura de sama no ye de na sa ye hu at the same time say omampan aka kire Ghana fo nyina say enho sika de ya pegu dada nti ye nibre so nti ekwan ba ne be fa ewom se ohini ban de papa ti ase de but tirimpo ba konso ni se a national cake as I say obi biara nya chefa ewom. How do we ensure say in implementing this Adwumawura a programming ebeboa ama enkoye se inipakuo bi abusuakuo bi ana yonkofo bi ana benya sa amfa
ana amanyoku bi henka the street
yes
no no the mesre say wo hwe mo mpani tirimpo na ne eno awolonche wo kan sa asem no say wo mo kura behwe mu accelerating for that's also yenye online empese be face to face bi say wo ko apply na wo ko duru ha na obi akoka say me hwe wani ma wo ye blue na wo ye green but the minim ni say mrasa bedwafo nso ebedi mu akoten pa te say the American na mesre say yeni a ye bobo ankrofo ano eboa wo mo ama won saa akwanyan na wo mo atimi anya saa emwai no yen district e mansiri no bebre wo ho a saa center ye from business resource center almost all of the districts will be ye no wo mo eni nsawoso say ye de saa ye de fa wo mo so omo de omo ye civil servants omo go me mpeso aso say makoho ene wo mo akwakosia mpanifo na ho no ene wo mo adi nkomo unu omo hia unu political card because omo wo ho ansa NDC e be fia ba mu MPP by omo go omo ana wo ho ene nso omo san e wo ho nti ye mo na ye nyusu saa dwumakuo na ewo yem peso aso no no mo mante no in their selection process yen ye beboa ayekam ye friends announcement ade nipa no akọ but mesre say yen fa amanyosem enkomu say asumasi bia onye NDC ni menka onye NDC nti saa mo na eduma na enye yi ene yenim nyumakuo kese a ewo Ghana ha wo mo efankofo nyuma ebinum fankofo be se 100,000 saa nyuma no nyina wo kwa wo se we eye MPP ana anase so ye MPP ni wo kora wo NDC ni so e wo ye nyina eye Ghana fo eno de mesre union ma kenyina so mo yentu saa na mo no ama ehu a wo ka se ewo ade na ede so ehu esa wo mu no ye ye firi ho NDC kora de bebo ya ni se si yetimi eye ne saa ema obia Ghana ni ba bia opesa akwanya no enya ebema wonu nyina hu se o abanyi de wanye nyimu abato brenso ebe ho bio eba sa nipa mu so aban we de oba ye na ode sa trimpo we ba wanye nyimu nti mika se ya miame mpeso aso for mesere wo mu ade ya mika se ye koso ye ba yi ebinum se na ono abo akono akwanya program aba hu se ebinu ye fi for omuko school ni bi say and say there be there no cre enti
asemo
no but ni nyina ye unse ye nyina ye nyepe de wo hunu no nye ono enye saa na enti se ko ba no saa nyabre na kire nkofo mu me ko nti ade ba kwa me say me chien sorry wo se wi o se capital wo nyina ko na kire obi ase because me say me bodwa na me nya won kese sa but me ko asori bia mu for the past 3 weeks me ko Sunday one day me ko asori by 6 8 9 na ma kire mu say se hwi oso ha ya to aba wie ye nyina ye MP ye ba ko pe oni ne kofi bente nti se wote ha me ba ye me hu obi o hye party atade wa so dem ha wote ha na de wo hia ana de wo fi se be dubre bi wo MP na eboa wo ma wo ya ebe ye no men twentwen wo na se hwehwe wo MP kire kwan se me be me ne me party mpanifo ne ba de me number ni de me number mo hwehwe MP kire kwa na ekwan bia mwa bia wo hia bia se ama fi ase fofo nyuma ye bobo mo ma ni de me ya ne se de ofre me e ka se me pa de we no ono na usually ya ni din e ba mitirimu FS and it is not usually on particular ye boa party no de but me say party na ye boa no so me pre say anka ye party me party modern ma wo yan wo 2024 election wo yo so no enfie na ekire no saa modern mo no e be ko na and saa modern mo na me pre say e be ko na e say otwe ahoho ni e ba enti mesre ye nuanom dodo na ya na ye chitafo ne ma ya akandifo no ye yesa kofo bi se sia minimum bi on ma kompa sa brante we ya wa ma ya fa na adwuma no brante no ye ne se ye MPP nimpo ye campaign no na wo on keka no ho hu sa brante me decide we mana obetumi ye abo nti mo me nyina ya nwe ne kese no any the holistic view of nhyehyɛ a mampani adi abai na ankoyɛ sɛ NDC fo nko a na MPP fo nso anko daabi yɛ de saa kwanya su kura benya mranche ne mabawa no bi ama in the next 4 years na bi omo nso abɛboa aban no.
Okay, so another problem, that's what I'm saying, Maslocks and enya ye otimu debi mi MPP ni mi NDC ni eti me koje bosian kwa na me no nyadia metuaka say o mentor no kwa me be mentor no kwa me pa na me comment fi o ba me pamon enye wani suade hu no me gidi say e be me ate ho asese asudi dan so sebe sika na na form ne ko fa beto wo say begikoye sei eye sika ye srese ubetimi aye di no kura ma Ghana ban na ofoforo so atimi abefa sa akonya so se be akoda nim ye nyina yi ede na be ka che ye ho titru party for eno de ope ye benya akonya kese che Ghana for e normal just that I am abuse of sa akonya no ti 60-40 kura na enya adibone na de na be ka che party for say akonya we abai de ye fa share party ni munyam ye fa share Ghana ni munyam ye nka se de ye mane dance nti enne si eni hokwa na isa si edi ni kura ma Ghana nti no obi nso aba obenya mfaso. What do we tell them?
Nti eno mpo de ye nyi party for nti ne nka so obi bia obenya sa akwanya no yesrew ene se ye nyina yete ha ennim ahokyere ewo oman yi mu na ahokyere koba bibiri ye nyuma ye nni bia ye beye na ebreso bibi kakra abeto ye mbotom sesi a omampanyini ebo apro no o ye campaign ye Ghana for ene kan sa nsem nyina kire no ena oni ne mpanimfo kotena ase a omode aho ano ye muaye ebre yen se ye disa nhyehyɛ we ebeto dwa beba be abekyerɛkyerɛ aboa mrante ama won bibi asonwanse mrante ne mabawe monya bibi aye se yen ya kan ye haw akyerɛ mpa no na wode ano muaye ebre yen dia ene na ni se ye ni di hwamo ade a ye ka ase ye pese ye ebeboa ama yen so yetumi enya bibi aye anu nti sesi aye kopɛ sika budget mu sika nka ye de betumi aye ne mafoforo ne ye de ebeboa ye mpunto no ebesre Ghana mrante ne mabawa ebenya saa akwanya ne se me de ade no enhye wo chinchin ase no nko ana ye wo de ye ka obi bi a wo ye teacher ni kura register bi a office e wetumi aye ye ka ho na manu hunu se o ma hene nyese ye de show mampani ana o man ye ni ya bra bo ye ne be din kan enya so efaso ye nya so mfaso a ye so etumi akogina ba bi e de twa aman bi no mpo ase ko hwe Ghana wo ko Ghana mrante ne mabawa se de onye adwuma te se de te ha ko na wo ko mama bi so a mrante ne mabawa wa adwuma ye adwuma dabi wami enso ye hunu se yen Ghana na ye dia Ghana ye mpa maako ye ma nipa maako etitimu na ne ka bomo ye Ghana se wo ye wo de ni ye wonu an ye ni de ni ye na te se de papa wa target mampani na target mrante ne mabawa be se 10,000 afia na ankanyame adom afinu ko na wie mu be se 8,000 krodwuma na gina a ye dia dance se ene sa mrante no on friend ni MP nka kire se ona bobrami 100 cedis 20 cedis good nanka ye koye ni eno eye ni unyam hye ma wo onua no kane ansa o mampani anase o mamunu kura anya so emfaso nti ye hwe ne se eyade a ebe sesan ya brabo ebe ma yenya anunyam ama ebia kan o mampani ene Ghana enyina ye hunu sa de a ene megidi se ye de ewure be hyem aye ni yie se de be ya afoforo ko se anye ama na nyina ya anye ni yie ama na anya kono na abaya na o mampani kasa de anye yie nti wo twen firi ho a ebia na nka firi so o ne ko ebeba no sofo bio no ono mo mbe ye ni yie na wakohwere obi akwanya nti ye sere se yeni ebedi nka enya kwan ewo saa muawe mu no yemfa yeni nko na ma yenu minum so ede yeni ebedi akire pa me de mpeso aso de mani bedi akire pa ahwe amana
I know because we pedo akọ if you want to ensure say omo menya no mfa so de beba so no matimedi ni kura so magana or ni ndam net saying I don't know whether your party issues are affecting or how bayana bibi kama opposition is not sweet at all.
Good morning. Opposition there, and street there, but it must happen.
It must happen.
In democracy, there must be a minority and a majority. You took one a manonia. They like Ghana because you share the news opposition.
Okay.
Opposition means connotation, no. And I'm for food say you are just opposing. the word opposition.
Yeah.
But we think that a minority and a majority.
Okay.
We say, oh, this is the minority side, this is the majority side. And the people are so
they're
happy.
comfortable.
Yes, because they don't want us to be they only say opposition. They just say, oh, they are only some papa be and also is part of the democracy.
Good.
And the democracy in Ukraine.
I see. Pandai phone to say.
Pandai phone here. Me
come
Adom. I love the family Koso.
Nsuo to come.
Nsuo no na high kakra for some time now. Babi bebre wo ho nsuo na anto. Ebi mo so I lucky. Nsuo na den. Ato ama bayere no crash.
So Pandai is better for Bayern Jane and I said
Bayern. I think that largely no. Idea ye pa Bayern. Okay. Banch no enshada nye that commercial. But Bayern there, very, very commercial.
I see.
That's what is happening.
You've been following Adwumawura and your lunch. You've been following it.
Yes, I've followed it. Obviously, budget no more kase omo be Adwumawura budget and all those things no. But enye new, o ma hene enye new. But my main check pandai for. Na ma chia me mabunu na me ma me mo me papa no. Me chia obi bia na ya chia party mpanyimfo so. Thank you, Tono.
Do you have a party as it stands now? Because the center is not holding.
The center is solid. Absolutely solid. Very solid.
The defensive players are okay.
Everybody
is solid. The striking team is on course.
Is on course.
Midfielders are distributing the ball.
I'm telling you, from the left wing, back wing, center, and the strikers. Obviously they can be overlapping in play.
Just to ensure somebody must share the right goal.
Exactly. Don't be surprised. But I can tell you
part of party business.
Sorry?
A part of party business.
Yes, it's part of party. The party is solid, I can tell you. Very solid. Some day, opposition, they're quite. Normal.
Quite worrying. In 4 months, the party is broke.
It's not broke in terms of cash.
Yeah.
Oh, ask MP now. He will tell you he's broke. Ask him. He will tell you he's broke. Ask the president. He will tell you he's broke. So after the broke, it's normal.
I see.
Adwumawura here. It's okay, but it's not new. That program is not new. It's just renamed. MPP Mreso. Yeah, your friend youth starts. And on mobile and almost friend say
Adwumawura.
So it's not new. Near me tea ya me nuane kan. Oho and a meno. Mesha da ayre me ho so akafo aso. Look, opa nka obie phone lines na nipa be kan no kra. They'll phone in and tell you say most people in this country, you for no be brave. Enya sa support you. Some got 10,000, some got 20,000, some got 50,000, some got as much as even 200,000. Depending on the proposal now, will be put in place. Now, what me I call defend your proposal, party not support you. But unfortunately, typical Ghanaians, typical Africans, obi or the proposal we call not kwa Jesus scanner.
Akodanino.
Madanino. It is a menu obi or no aqua bank. Never watch what did you loan or bank?
But it could be a poultry farm.
Oh, Lucia, or the worry.
Or the Kowari. Or the Kotuni.
Or the Kotuni Badi. Or the Koye way. Until at the end of the day, no. What means say much of the resources no be cut out. But impact now, who say?
It's a union.
Ebebano. Impact number. That is the problem.
Yes, what do you? Anna,
I think that as a nation, boom. And a bibian su yusuya. One a metron. Say, I'm here, Bibia, a man for food, say every party hoy ban.
They don't mind, they don't pay.
Can you open or
yeah. That will be so honorable.
That is the problem.
That's the biggest challenge we have faced.
In a way, I can tell you, say, 90% of Omo Mbemnya particular benefit, you know. A better tilted towards the ruling.
We are resetting. So definitely a 60-40, no problem. We will not go the 90. No, we are resetting. So and your mother
so far I want to set it.
And your mother dano, pacho. Yeah, positive and pain. And your mother dano.
Yes.
Yeah, you share and you intimate nasi. And yet times 2 or 3.
Yes.
Then it means that we all throw our hands in despair.
Yes.
We need to start believing that as we are resetting, can you know a 90-10, about 60-40 because a gradual process.
Yes.
And Sunday, you do 55, 45 na aye normal ba ko ka say 80% na party for so trima chance say your monde e dey ya fund enye obi a fund e Ghana fund
agroba da
adopotutu ne free
any free and agroba be da no ne free no
na say adopotutu won say agroba be
free man ni wo man mu
no ma mienu na mampenya ka no ma mienu na mampenya ko say we enye ade sika ni ho sika no de to so biem on person be party say no one-to-one interface compare. Then you know, young content time. Crack. Omo hini eye abatwa mabo me pe kuko say na mwetima bo metimanya we ba become so my kuko bu na so na una okọ anim sa. Eti e share to gu akwan ma e betimi aboa. So in our quest to shift from the old habits and attitudes, no, let's not push that old mentality still into our minds. Believe that this one there will be a change.
There is not going to be a change. You will mind His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. On one they can ask some say. On one they can you. MPP for now and almost say me be president. Me yi nkrofo adi.
Yeah.
Me de me am nkrofo na eba. Me yi me nkrofo adi. Me nya sa. Me bana mama be make sure say me be nyuma na Ghana for mafabia ede account yehu ni sa.
But it doesn't stop the president that any intake be also in accordance with the laws of the land.
Yeah, mejitum but na me pa kire won say sabe omo ayi omadi obi ani wa sabe mpreduasa we Burkina Faso ni we Nigeria ni ana we sabe Ivorian omo nyina ye Ghana fo na omo ayi omadi there are records to show say President and Chief of Staff let any say
after December
7th. Omo yi nkrofo di as back as September, October, November. Omo nya appointment nyina omo nyina di. We saw it. Nti sa behavior no mo me nyina hwe say ebegyan. Me no na me ka chon something tense o ka say ebe fill form say bibia. Sa na ye no. O kai prominent MPP nkrofo o ka say duru say ye campaign aye musa yanko say yanko na internet so be basi e ba be fa adwuma
na ko for so ka wazi ya de ko for so ka ye nim ni ba bia
you say afena yes ye ba be di bia afena mo ka che say yanko internet so see we've had all these commentaries in this country nti ya dia sabi mpraduasa ni e be ka no enko ene ne e be ye no so nya den enko but to be sincere, sabi NDC ni for no me for mo MPP for no me for mo dia Ghanaians. That is the principle that I believe in. But scanner na make us say ye de be mo. Me how on say. Abeye parties kai. E dey na mo de babe at the end of the day. Impact now o peno. Senka sabi me nua ye ba. What me am starter up. One man is cabe 200,000 within 4 years. What Timia multiplies at 200,000 no na ebia 500 600 700 what Timi kram agina so afani nua bi anani sister bi adwuma. That is the only way I me feel say we can develop. But I can tell you by close of 4 years with their friend Pablo on na me sure say our program the youth minister Nebusan said what has been the positive impact of this particular program. You get nothing. I'm telling you.
After 4 years.
It
can't be the same story.
It will be the same story because it is the same people we are dealing with. It's the same Ghanaians we are dealing with. It is the same mentality. Say, me party na aba. After na me adidi na eden atome. After na ye nsu ye ba be didi. This thing is practical, man. I'm surprised you are trying to.
No, I am believing that there's a change.
There should be
and that
change.
change is resetting.
They are saying that there is a change.
Yeah.
But they've lived 4 months now. There's never been any change. They even look, they are even polarizing this nation more. We have what it takes to say they are doing it more because so far records now, now you have institutions by institutions, they are doing it even more, and they are even setting precedents that any order they are setting it, and tomorrow is going to go against this same nation. And you know, resetting it is just a word. I have heard it. We are all good. It is not all the time that reset is a positive. Reset all the time doesn't mean positive. Reset be a negative. Or watch. You can reset it to the negative time. And you know, maybe for say it is a good thing. I am not condemning it. I'm not saying say But mentality now, yeah, the boo man, you know, will end up not getting the impact. The money will just go. It will just go like that.
Why wouldn't you caution ebusuaku no aye Ghana for na ye benya saa kwanya we no se kane na ye fa no fara afi we die untimi fa no saa fara no be giri se ye hyase eto saa adwene no to ya adwene mu a ebeka ho because en kura se maslow ko why ye ne saa nyoma ne nyina na en kura se me ko gibi pen ma de share tv say me party na
o man me cry de me kire ni say me say me my family constituency no me be so as me my Ghana Sanji she we abe ye nyina ye nim say ye no papa ye ni yi a ebeboa ye me say ye mfa no say me president of say you also constituency
sure
e de na meye amasa de we agina maka kire say me fia say me hu go campaign we na me sha say ebeboa me ho me say me say obia wo constituency mu a obe me maka ye prayer akogi bia ba wo mo beba no me as mirage no e de na meye aboa ma ade no atimi agina na me nko kan kire wo mo so ade peti aban sika nti den ya na ekoto nipa na suma de mbiem na me ko kan me sre honorable say ayen moa aban ye nyina ye budget na ye twade akoye sa de we say no achi de na anye yi a afi yen hwe say de na yen at our level at the constituencies no districts no ebetimi aye ma ade no enya some success rate be than to expect say in 4 years first year they cry years so you are predicting 4 years doom no honorable let's try
be positive
yeah leaders they be kan so be man kofo no anya resem bi no mo hanamo a wo mo ebetu me dey me say we also Adwumawura project ebi beba ho de beba ho bia no so I assure you say we will chalk success with it because we will try to achieve it. It is not out of the blue. Adebi e ka say betimi aye bia na betimi aye. There's nothing impossible.
Omahene me ni ya adwen me prophesy dumo. Me I'm just telling him the reality.
Emre bi sana na etie.
Enye mre bi minua sana etie enye mre bi.
Na say na wo share nkoma anye nkom papa no. Emre bi sana na etie.
Sometimes it's better to face the reality.
No, but the admission is that. The admission is that. You get to say sana ya nyoma bi sinne. But enedie the essence e be say ye koye ni.
Nti yam fansha say Adwumawura yi.
Sure.
Of course.
Nia I see be 3 months ago in there any problem behind
it. I see 3 months.
Oh, now CJ cry ya pam no.
Oh, David men kebi.
Oh, my idea say na
men kebi sa.
Ya pam no.
David men kebi sa.
Enye no cry. Asana me kan enye no cry.
Men kebi sa.
David nyese ma men kan enye no cry. Ka chem say enye no.
Kwana pam no.
Oh, His Excellency John Ramani Mahama.
Ya ka say pam CJ.
Oh, master, what is suspend? One Ghana, one suspend you man back.
But how do you arrive at that conclusion? Even when the Attorney General is saying that the fact that you are born with quite doing and I'm asking you, why are you?
Oh, just answer me.
No, why are you concluding like that?
Okay. You're empowerment, you're suspending.
Of course.
Would you too?
You're suspending one so and now saying,
oh, my hene. Oh, my hene.
Kwabena Santi.
Oh, my hene. Tio.
There be baby Jina.
Suspension.
Mpense obekasa amakasa na to ni pe bia swim say ya pam CJ.
Ya suspending. Oh man, ya suspending.
O say, take this time. You see, we also have to start correcting ourselves and to reset our mindset in everything we do. As journalists, as parliamentarians, as businessmen, as Ghanaians, as citizens, whoever. So you might have a disagreement. I respect that.
No, I want you to give.
I have a disagreement.
Yes.
And somebody might have a disagreement.
Yeah, okay.
I believe that the process is not air fastening. But the hear me say, yeah, now mirakunye nyina agya tum no ehun hye dey ya na.
Okay.
And
the outcome I don't even want to go there. So most suspend you obi a pimu ya kan say.
Ya tu that say.
Okay. Nti ya tu TJ assign. You are okay with that? Me that say. Nti
yeah, no fairly.
Well, research ni bi na American wasem no. 3 months ago, ya yi nkrofo abi. Eno so ye gitum. But Adwumawura de yi de. Yem fan chance say ebeye yie. That's the angle I want to start from.
Exactly.
That's why you want to start. Nti Adwumawura we de ebeye yie. Me gitum. Nti na me ka kire say look. Scanner ye de boa mabunu no. E ya de pa. Kwan na ye fa so e de boa mabunu no. Me sa kwan no so eduru ba bia me o problem because omo mba be di sa die nim nyina no be party fo
okay
na omo a
omo ba crowd boy koko
sa
boy koko
oh ebe yes sa o ma hene and then o person ye pretend it
energy ni positive back now
no don't let's pretend. You see, I find it difficult to pretend. That's my problem.
You call this pretense when you are calling for mindset change?
No, mindset change is very good. Especially that is our problem as a nation. But I'm just telling you that those people who are going to be doing A, B, C, D are going to be these people.
How can you say?
Do you want me to say that is not true?
No, Debbie. You see, then it means that you are still using the old mindset. That has not helped us as a country.
Sure.
Okay. We have done past mistakes beyond man. Ye GDA ni say.
Ye GDA ni say mo medical sky.
Super.
Mo leading members of NDC.
Debbie.
Another thing I say my main cast. So when the one me that na own person make cast.
Ye GDA ni say sika ye be chama Ghana for this year enye bin. Even though ye GDA said emudu do na be party e wo so no enko for no. Ye wo GDA say in sachiraye member from the no old norm now we are used to. What can dey awie? Na only a certain mentality we there atu ye nyina ya dwudu. Ba o ko gitum say it's the same old story.
You don't even end there. We are leader until so kasa busu kra meboa me ma fu dia
ma. Na me we emfa me so me there. Oh, ma hene. Ye radi nyanko.
Ye fa nko.
Oh, ma hene.
Party war no. MPP, NDC, MPC, they never benefited from any government opening.
That is not what we are saying. You have just not said it. You see, I am famous so. Some of me kind. Man can say me am benefit you. Me say I am famous so.
Go say false say.
Exactly.
Sen Caribbean, you be ka say oh ni pe bi o ha. But mo tro proposal.
Sa you friends say Adwumawura program. A programmer, let me repeat say a program papa. Nya me ka ma wate ase ne say dodo na nya me ya adoma ska yi be ko omunsam no. Dodo no a be one sabe omo gidie e wo sa party no. A omo ye Ghana fo boni biani. Me matu boni biani. Nya me pese wote ase so ne say omo na sabe sa ska we be ko omunsam no. That mentality wo se ma me nka ho asam ne say sa ska we de ya ban e na e de aba. Yesre sa suban no omuda idea in 4 years time no me nyina beba betena. Impact na SM man ye nya sa impact no. That is the fact and we must all confront that fact. Ne me nua ne kan ye so hwiwe so obekwa ko monitor obeyi we eya sam papa. Monitoring is so important and very key. But onhwe na namu yie. Because sa nneman kitinkiti or how one way you betimi dey abrel no enyo how ketwa. But I think that it is a good program and you new. Just like I said, MPP mreso minimum manfo a omunsa kesa sika we up to date omunfutimi fa anya ehwe. They came out with good proposals. Ya ma omusika no meni ukasa yi ebi antimi anfa anya we. Omodi akwakọ ibibi foforo anne anyahia na ewo omuso ananka ban na adwe ne say wonye sa sika we a wo beyi hu afiri sa anyahia no mu no afi kura de makọ anyahia mu kura mo asene the way no because they did not apply the resources judiciously
and we were also unable to punish them.
Well, there are two things into this punishment in politics. Punishment
in
politics
ewo amanyo sem ewo ya fa ha sem
na me bom pae sanya me baye nyina adon daache NDC ni MPP se hu so ye twen obi aso na eye nokrom na ye twen aso a ye nkwa ka chance won so party form pa wasem won ba bia wogina o se wona o ye campaign na hwe nya wona omo enya wona omo twen abo so no na afi ono wa kogi nipa no afa wa hu sadie ye hu bebre
nti ama so twen aiden
Oma hene no kwahu oma yimu na me ne woni adekoka na me catch say look ne nti a ye ntimi nkoya animu no ene say ye mo obi din entwe na so oh ye nyina we don't name but nyankopon hyede ma obi ani din say ya wo ye papa ye bebo din wo ye bone a ye bebo din ba oma yimu de wo ye bone a omusimu nyina na ye bode MPP ya de na nya omusi o amanyofo say NDC for ya de na nya oh MPP ni NDC o kan na o de aba betare ho say be ya ho beto want to make us NDC for Yamu and Yamunya, Yahubi or NDC, Yahubi MPP, one or between us to be. Oh, yes, obviously. We had under politics and then we get ourselves and we are free. You know, maybe feels like Adwumawura policy, you know, it's okay.
As such, in fact, they do baby cry as our fan as a watch over so and do baby officer. Good. Enti yehwe bibi. O mind na bank owns a bank for. Eya mama nyumako sika. Loan. Mo de ye adwuma. Edu baby ehu say my adwuma bank pen. Ehu say man for e discount no be na default rate very high. The bank na yes no. Wo de nipa no kokko to asaso twen no so no process ne de nti ene ete sa de a e bibi e frɛ no conditions precedent to draw down. I say ansa na me di sika no ma on kwa me twitwe no ma bebre mu ansa me di sika no ma ye de no bae ye hu se sa de no o amasese abi no mo ha sika no enko nipa bonefo ensɛmti but still enam business na enyuma nhyehyɛ nti na ebi no so agusu na banks na san hwa say de no ye hwɛ de ye be hwa ansa di sika na ma on kwa ye di sika no ma so a ye be kɔ so a ye bibi a monitor friend no continuing conditions ye di loan no ama wa wie kura ye no so edi akire bosom bia fa bebra ye be ba first sa ye ya me hu say na eti
asotia na eti
default rate eso enti asotwe na ye benya anase wose ye de ma wo because na eso so atint when say cases loan cases default rate
I improve
sabi na media mesusu say anka project it said ye edi ba yenye no mema yenya wo mo saa anhwe say ade no ebe say anase ebe yeye na say ya afi asotwe da bi sesi a ye de be ma wo mo no yenye screening application process no yenhu wo mo ye de ma wo mo betimi ede ye adwuma ye wie so ate said wo mo mpani kan no yenya wo mo saa wo ye be kosoa ahwe wo adi wo mo chi amonitor said ye be ya se bi be ko boni kura enkoye dodo ana se mi da between boni se wo se etimi eyeyie ohun enti mesro na mu yenyina te said ye wono ankasa akase ade no enhyehyɛ pa enye de edikan ni yaye bi pen de enti na yesu abakosem enti amesu abakosem ni se de obi ye no achi na ankoye no ene enu enti me de na me ye enu enti de na me ye na de me ye no so de nsusanso na ede ebebrem yenyina yenim see ye pen perfume
so mama ndase na yenkotwa ho ba maka cho se hano bonso obekasa kesepa because the new patriotic party the center is becoming conjumpy. You know,
he's repeated that.
And people are surprised. Thank you.
Oh yeah.
People are really surprised.
Who are those people?
What is there to thank people
maybe
about?
When the opportunity comes, we'll tell you what is there.
When the opportunity comes.
Obviously, as we sit here, you give me the opportunity.
Yeah. Exactly. A bar.
So we might find
and then the cross say, if you finish me.
Oh, but I'm surprised. The MPP is solid. Absolutely solid. No, I'm catching up. From the ground.
No, she was one party leader.
Oh, chairman.
Stephen T.
Oh, sure. One party leader. The administrator, general secretary, second in command. That way.
Okay. What is Chairman Buti in common?
Oh, Ebia Namante.
Ebia.
Namante. Who say no na free panda by
Ebia na.
Na Ebia Namante. Ebia na Ebia ni so big card. Baby na nyabuti.
Oh, go bente na me dey obakasi. Yeah. Come on.
Oh, ma dey asia. O ma he come
on.
Say o ka say
Masuma bro dey okoto dey. Dey okoto dey omurumuru no ho ya no fi say kra dey okoto dey.
O ma chena wanti ya akosi bia.
Oh, menti.
Ave no free panda ba.
Anti me no
say panda so no. Jumedi omudi na nsuo ntimi to no ama bayere wansem no. I problem. If you want to focus na nkasa ewo. Okay. It you may break you one na say akopem water get this bia nom. Kai hu say o to say bottle na say eye kana ahyenso de won ye proudly made in Ghana. So proudly made in Ghana. Malta Guinness o nom na no pa wi anyumre ana adwo ahemachi biri bia da otimi nom na otimi nya hoden soronko. Nti eben o kuma so ye banker kopem Malta Guinness nom. Modjuma na de ode ade bia outside Malta Guinness ka ho a emwa ti kopem bi na no. But mamencho sika quick na afi menko mula break ni mbra ye ba the MPP as to whether the center is holding or not no area ɛyɛ nimnya for nyindam ɛwɔ hɔ bɛkyerɛ nti start rolling the numbers na hwɛ no power die ɔbɛyɛ lucky na watimi anya saa nkonimdie no so it's 5 4 3 2 and 1. Hey, machine, what that So that's the lucky winner. 020-1037 star 020-1037 star. Now, nobody ever French bia ya call mula break ni ba. Wa didn't kuni bia no. You man say the ode koyan so you be catch na ube catch and then you share the moments with us. Do I will try and all those things. Obakoswe timetwa and obinim china sem star 281 hash star 281 hash. Now for option here 4 Adom TV as many as you want to in terms of say we try now we try kosam. Ya komula break ne ba ya try come on this one say. Ya kwa. Right so ya sa ba ya damu ina masi ya try come on this one say my main chair chief executive minerals commission I see say o projects now o chance you know. Bibia oh and then a minerals commission will take you over a my office no I see they say you see new team kudos good job being done over there but yeah back to studio and say make out say bedroom we have the next 15 minutes to say thank you so we are a part of us 5:45 up to this point honorable Martin Ndamo and say and afi nimnya folk say you also Pandai Sefi also Kofi Bente and so on say. German Ozone Medical Center a leading a multidisciplinary healthcare facility one focus on ozone therapy one of the core clinical approach a renowned therapeutic person Ebwama Sanshishewe etimi akoso Ebwawa monya faster healing enhanced immunity and overall wellness in Tishen and so. And which is someone she specialized ozone-based treatments, comprehensive outpatient care, and advanced dental services. Omo pretty fully equipped implant center with an in-house dental laboratory. Nti ope baby akudi juma for pom de some Miami amabrobus here German Ozone Medical Center. For one 055-024-2222 and 055-025-2222. Email near hello@gomc.com.gh. German Ozone Medical Center, a honor innovation in healthcare and implant dentistry, empowered by ozone and defined by excellence. Inti Shenenso. Honorable Ninam. 2 minutes to success or 2 minutes to failure? MPP.
Success. There's no fear at all. Mami fa kwanya iso na macha ye national chairman. Macha general secretary na macha the flag bearer for the 2024 general elections. And party for mpanyifo ni nyina ken mo omo ka omo nyina bom a omo yes thank you to you. Me che omo nyina. Na macha omo nkran. So the ground is good for that thank you to.
A form year.
From your
thank you.
Well received. Na me sra omo so nema nkitinkiti bi so a ewu mu a ebia emwa no omo yire omo han so meye free.
Oh bente obi die na ba mensre obi die na ba.
Omo se
o kan na wo se na
o mahwe. Sere no kra de ewu hia. Me pese me busa o studio ha say from Kufuor Mreso.
Yeah.
Atames Mreso. O man penyini John Dramani Mreso. Na na do dan kwa Kufuor ando Mreso. Omo hwan ena one ko thank you to after losing elections. Omo hwan na anya sadia.
Ebia danso.
Miss omo hwan na anya.
Obia tu sana mo no.
Obia tu sana.
Ntimi mfa obia de tutu se ni na pepepe.
No. Per our nature, per our culture. And nasie.
Enti tu ayanto amom na mokọ nasie anase munya akwanya kwa aprobo mu ebi munya amumu gidie no etu ma mu no na mokọ danse anase
so omonto
mama no body say anase monante sie ne say okwa
oman
for na mo no oman na party for
no kasa bia ni wa metimi akase yakoto aba apart from the Boku issues where some areas Nana, what's the name? John Mahama got 0. Some other places, depending on the tribal inclination, Baumia also got 0. But Biani wa ya koto aba. Sabe, one new Biama na koto aba mo.
But BNP ni wo.
But Biani wo. But police station biya wunya obia sabe mprebiasa. Wayi ni ho asi ho, wayi campaign mo, wayi ni ho aso ho, wato aba mo. Entino, ya nya 0, ya to aba ya nya 41.something%. And obi kura want to aba mo kura no. What me done as me ye. I lost 2020 elections. After me, Maluso no. Constituency honor. Police station be aniwa, community be aniwa. Man kwa da omasi.
Udi kugo wi.
Me din kugo wi me da obi biase. Sabi mpred wiasa. Momo na moto abama o. His Excellency Nana Donko Akufo-Addo man be president. Sani pakro na so na to abama His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ene a ono so ababa president. They are the same people. Nti na yetimi sesa aban. Nti ene anye yi amawa
Echina.
Ene nchese ochina enye yi mawo. Nti ena enye sabi mpraduasa ebia wo nko a wo boni nti na moto abati a. Ebia na ba omia enye ono no boni nti na moto abati a no. Ebia na obi ehye babi ne niye ne kasa na na monto bi a wotu ye no ema obi edi hu abufuo edi to abati aba omia. Nti ne sakwanya aba na wo kwa woda obi biase ena obi bia nso aye bi. Nti I don't see the difference amanfo ka say oh aden na mokwa modern nkugo nti na mokwa da ase anase say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama di nkugo 2020 no wan kwa thank you to ene de NDC fo ahunhun hwe boni bia ni ene wan ni
enu me hu hwe
wo wa hu
na me say me nso bi bisa die nti wo to ama ya hu hwe
mo na ma hu hwe aden na mo no no complain TBA, that's we Ghanaians, that's our behavior. And two, when cry a sonko in the sense that party not to suffer obi bia sabe prebiasa na why you want this say o person that achi omo to abama no be your president obi bia mra ma yenko na yenko dase boni be na ewu kan gi no phone microphone no waka say waka na adwen ba omi aso age say waka na adwen omo ka ho omo so age aka omo adwen we are all that is bolden.
But you're going through a healing process, man.
It's one way. And two, to reassure the party grassroots say sabe na mo bi wo ha omo kan sem bia ma ye ntie ni nyina mo fanche na mo ma ye nyina nka mom as one person na ye nya dan ye nko 2028 elections. Enti look popo bia ni ho a esa na ni ho ana esa na bia nso ni ho a popo ni ho ana ma hene me boa. Enti this anamo MPP A2 no there are people in MPP almost full say ehun hia. This is normal. Say ye nyina ya adwen ko benkro mu sa na say enye omo no omo reasons abufu say enka ya ntu sa na mo na eye but ododo na afu say anamo na yetu e ya na mo pa and I have seen the benefits I started here then eba omo criticize here yes rom they are party leaders, they should also join. Thank you to no omo konko di achi na nema bi wo ho asabe enko yi a omo so betimi atene no oh South see kasa we wakan megidi say nka ya nka ne sa na ika ne say ya nka beboa. They are big party leaders and member to be encourage you almost say they should go ahead and join. Obi ani wa obetimi aka cha say thank you to na masa me say me ko da obi ase abone be na mai me kwa ko da obi ase bone ben e na mai e na mo fu say ba omi e de lanchi na come back ni we nyina no I don't get it because oni ken and a young amount for which they were the leading contenders in the 2020 primaries. Ken is there. Baumia is there. All other persons are invited.
Your Baumia is there.
Yeah, Baumia, yes. No,
your Baumia is there.
What do you say about Baumia? Baumia is for the MPP. Ken is for the MPP. So what do you mean me in person? Oh, I obviously would declare my stand. And this is not the time for somebody to say when I support it, here. Who told you those people will even be alive before 2028? What I catch you are you God? Now that we are building MPP, now let's focus on building MPP. Let's focus on solving problems petty problems. See the party. Look, se Ponko dia and obi afru transfer Ponko no timi di America mo di first. Ah, na Ponko an name abu na ko fruit transfer. We best rather grana. Otogusu Ponko Otogusu ko dey call race. Over there na wa win. You will chop last. So we need to build the MPP as a party.
So the focus should be on MPP.
MPP. The party should be strong.
The utterances should be on MPP.
Exactly. Look, if MPP is strong, I'm telling you, man, 2020, I'm going to as presidential candidate, may win it.
The party won't dear.
No one I will win.
On Tongusua.
On Tongusua, may win it. But let me tell you, sir, Ponkono Tongusua, go and bring the best, even Jesus Christ, for Ponkono Man International.
Most of Togus.
Ah, now, baby, Jesus will obey.
In Jesus' name, above 4 page and number.
Above 40 million, above 40 million. So, Intino, almost faith without action is faithless.
Yeah.
That's what the Bible says. Intino, Pongone, Toguswa. Ultimate final. Intino, meaningful say. And never be a wa obiafu say enya we should correct it. Put the party together, build a stronger party like we did in 2016. And then His Excellency Nana Addo Akufo-Addo got opportunity to sit on the throne. The same thing NDC did. They built a party. At the end of the day, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama was given the opportunity to sit on the horse. And then we president.
Okay.
We need to build our party.
How come Mpensenpensenmu na na wo futu bi aga?
Oni afutu bi aga. Afutu awo wani say. Afutu be na wo.
Amahili.
Ye party asemu.
Debi, we dey me say, ye Ghana for. Ye Ghana for. Ye suma brewa.
Wo wani Ghana for. Kase wo se Ghana for.
Ye Ghana for. Ye suma brewa.
Baby okoto.
Eno akoto fom. Eno wo munumunu no ho aye no ho fin kura aka ho. Anka ba bia obekwa ko wie die.
Enye wasem.
Nanso o munumunu no ho na oye no ho fi no nsem bi a wo keka no e wo se ye hwe na
akofa asem bi
amre because eje a ebeka Ghana nyina eni sen yesi yekoda ase sisi amemi nim se Ghana fo ne yekoda wo ma ase o se MPP fo ne yekoda wo ma ase o se federal executive fo ne yekoda wo ma ase o eno minya hunu ye na mom nsem a ekoso wo na ase no mu no nsem a wo keka no me thank you to Makobi. Begusukura aye thank you to me say me ko baby a me ye campaign bia me ko me thank you message simple and say minti ebinum ebreye minti ebinum twa akwan minti ebinum eyi ewro mu nem pabo anante minti ebinum etwa aka sika efro abobo ya minti edi ebinum atem minti ebinum ba fonsuo egu so sey sa de na wo mo ye se o behwe se ko bente be di o manim no aye mani so intimida o ma se Nyankopon hira o de o ma hwere wo me hu nyina Nyankopon na me so be hye o manam the echoes the minti thank you bia wo me hu ba bi kura ka se damase wo we nu sama echoes ni say
honorable
content na me mate no me say de mate
na wo pass wo tie nya se de wate na wo pass wo tie
ah se de wate mpacho
wo
free panda ba na ma bi akoto a wontie
de mate free so fi ba na ma bi
me de mate wo de so de wontie me de mate ni say o ma hine na ya so ye din o ma ni mo ho kire ba ye economy no na enye kura Ghana for so wo mpe e-levy enso ye de ba Ghana for bese 16 million mo so mo mpe enso ye de ba ye Ghana for sika samo nye enso ye mfi wo mo na ye na ya so ye din pa no ni thank you message no
e na wote ye
o pese o ka ye yawo papa ba o mi pese o ka ye yawo se ono
wo supervise sa
yewura Akufo-Addo ko fa wo ba ka kire Ghana for nyina so on the economics no wonim na wo ye economic messiah brana betre yen said ye betoto ye man ne sika sam ye mfie nwotwe saa de no wontimi anya otete pansa wo mani nyina na wo sa be ka yen yawo se saa de na wontimi anya nti wo da yase saa ne da ase da bi wo hu de koba no mako two places me ya mienu o mako wo hu de boba no ho na America say ye hwe ni ye national security for emrem because wo mu duru brekum no de course wo platform so no ya hwe yi a o ma hene me ate se bi no mo frempo say thank you say suppose thank you to no ye nyai mate honorable what say mo mpanimfo no bi say ebe ya mu nyai mo mra mo nsam achi na mo ma hihye ne yie because two places are marked on the second spot they see ye no say ya hwe yi a
that's usual of any party here no position
o ma o ka say be one thing here o na me person ka me tie asama ba me ka say
party mpanifo no
Japan
one regional chairman no regional chairman
adede course
regional chairman ensem a wo
kan ya na
me masum TV so was say party fo am gina he mpanifo binum di party mpanifo achi aba ha se ye bedamase sam mpanifo no e na ye campaign wo mo di mi din e ko say
enya no correct sa enya sa no ka enya sa no ka idea video re wa ha e wa ha honorable
oba kama me
mame kama
mami na sme
no da bi be we find on am gata kra mame fa ni si ro
mami na sem
me research ni o sa research ni
o hwe fo yo ti eso ti de
akutiabo se ebinom te ha ene omudimi o se omudimi di e ba mo ho be ka kire mo se mo nto abama mi so mu yo mo se mi code ma code support running mate baumia ebi enum se me papa emudi ba chi an so omudimi di yan campaign san kofo na yes anyina se mi se ma code obi kire ne omugina hadi mpemfo kire ye be dase na yura kan je pon so aba ebinu mo ha ka se party mo nya memma ni se wo sika mo ni sika ye sika fo ehiafo
bi o mo kan nyina o ba bi o ko
thank you
o mo kan nyina
thank you no
se yan kan bom
TV so yan kan bom TV news TV 3 news
ho na o ti jo mo ke
mo ye we nyina wo TV
na wa ko TV na o beti
o de bi ani se
ko du fie na bo te ko du fie na bo te ni eyi o friends
thank you that's why he musa say oh say fall out wish to you very normal
what no kind yeah kakra bi na make afa ba omia say
so it's rolling out remember keep rolling
and o ka kire omo say nsam bi o wa omo kan ya omo anti enu and obobo sa name bebere enti yanka obi ya
bro ko benjo do tini na
o na efrese abronya sam na o kan wa twist no nesi ho no na enye nesi ho no no I condemn it.
You see, do we have to really spend more energy and time?
No, we're not spending energy
on this matter. That's why people are calling for an end to the
these are things that will also open up. It will open up.
All right.
For healing.
So 5, 4, 3, 1, 2
open up
5,
for healing.
4, 3, 1, 2. That's the winner for Sika. Okay, so Madam, we could have talked about illegal mining, no dear.
Yes.
But let's all be positive. Yen kosa ekono. Yen jindi say because baby do the same. You know, illegal mining. Of course, every day na. Not no person or the negative. Not no person or the negative energy. We are resetting. That all hands on deck. Let's fight.
Both hands should be on deck. And they are
no, send them who they have no more.
Hands on deck, yeah. Yes,
all
hands on deck.
Yes.
Yes.
All hands.
Yes.
On deck. Because yes, you quiet, you duane, you my
we have only said no. MPP wom, NDC wom, CPP will be a wom, Tienina Kuntia.
Okay.
Almost say Dabi state
all hands on deck. On that note, all hands on deck.
Cry.
Hello, I'm about to say. Oh, we are called. All right, so there'll be asking. I'm here to buy. Even she actually,